Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you the construction of square root spiral, and this is exercise 1.2 question number 4. The first step, draw a line segment OA equal to 1 unit, and I have taken 1 unit as 1 inch here so that the triangle which I am going to get will be bigger in size. And the second step, at A, construct angle OAB is equal to 90 degree, and also AB is equal to 1 unit. Again 1 unit I have taken as 1 inch. Then join OB. OB is equal to square root of 2 by Pythagoras theorem. How? OAB is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So OB square equal to 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 2. So OB is equal to square root of 2. Now the next step, at B we will construct angle OBC is equal to 90 degrees, and also we keep the length of line segment BC as 1 unit. BC equal to 1 unit. Here I have taken the unit BC equal to 1 unit, but 1 unit I have taken as 1 inch. Then join OC. OC equal to root 3 by Pythagoras theorem. Why? In triangle OBC, OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. So OC square equal to 3. So OC is equal to square root of 3. Next step, we will construct angle OCD equal to 90 degree at the point C, and also take the length of line segment CD as 1 unit. 1 unit here I have taken 1 unit as 1 inch. Then join OD. Again by Pythagoras theorem, the length of OD will be square root of 4. Continue drawing root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9 in this manner. If you keep constructing root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10, etc. in this manner, you are going to get a spiral shape, and color these triangles with the different colors to obtain a square root spiral. If you do it in a proper manner, you are going to get a figure like this, and this is known as square root spiral, and O is the center of this square root spiral, and you are getting a colorful square root spiral. I will explain you the steps once more. Draw a line segment OA equal to 1 unit. At A, construct AB perpendicular to OA by making angle OAB equal to 90 degrees, so that AB is equal to 1 unit. I have taken 1 unit as 1 inch in these cases. Then join OB. OB is equal to root 2 units. At B, construct BC perpendicular to OB, making angle OBC equal to 90 degrees, so that BC equal to 1 unit. Then join join OC. OC is equal to root 3 units. Continue in this manner to construct root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, etc. And you are going to get a square root spiral. Color these triangles with the different colors to obtain the square root spiral. Ultimately, your square root spiral will look like this.